Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Tabitha. We're going to plan in my classic happy planner for the first week of November. Just making sure I'm on the right page. Finally got all the pages up. Then I did like a randomly how should I decorate. And I got do scrapcraftastic's theme for this week, and her theme was fictitious escape. And so I thought about like escaping like reality by reading books. In the book I'm reading with my son right now, like the series is Harry Potter, and I just happen to have some Harry Potter stickers that were in my stash, so we're gonna use these. I don't know how old these stickers are, so I do not know where you can find them, but that's what we're going to try and go with. I found more habit trackers before I print more off. I do need bills to pay this week. Dude, I broke it. It's not straight again. And then we need like a menu, two basically to-do lists, and like that'll be like a quote box. So there's that. I might do Dumbledore's quote, since that kind of goes with the theme. Something along the, I don't know the exact quote because I kind of just have it memorized, but something along the lines of like, the choices we make are who make us people. I think that's what he said to Harry Potter after he got out of the Chamber of Secrets. I think that's when they were talking about that. But not 100% sure. It could have been at the end of any book when he's having his one-on-one conversations with Dumbledore. But it's talking about like, but I think it was after the Chamber of Secrets, because I think he was talking about how like, is he like Voldemort because he might have should have posted been in Slytherin, and then spoiler alert, he's worried about being in Gryffindor, and Dumbledore's like, the choices that we make are who make us, so you wanting to be in Gryffindor was part of who you are, and that makes you a Gryffindor. But I just like the choices that we're making are important. Okay, so I don't have anything planned this far in advance, so but I'm right. Daylight savings time ends this day, so we'll probably write that in. I think that might be in the like holidays. Yeah. So let's just put that in. And let's put a bludger next to it, because waking up that morning is gonna feel like a bludger hit you. Let's do this, do all the things. And let's get it to do. Stickers do have a lot of purple on them, so we'll go ahead and use this purple one. Okay. Oh, and we still need that'll be the meal plan. And so we're good. We just need decorations. Let's see. Don't have any purple date night stickers, so. I don't know what I want to do now, guys. This as far as I got was use these stickers, and usually that's like enough, and I just like come out. But one, I'm sleepy, so there's that. And two, I don't have any like plans that I know I need to work around or anything, so that's supposed to be like his wand. Got out. I don't even know where this came from. I think it came when I bought like the little bookmark. I think like this folder and this bookmark, and then I think the sheet came inside that folder. Why are they big purple? Who are these people? That guy has like a bludger, so like it's obviously not Fred and George because they have red hair. But he's still wearing red. That's our friend. He's usually on the microphone. What's his name? Jordan? I don't like this. That's why sleep is important, guys. It stunts your creativity. I am not good at functioning on little sleep. But to be honest, now is probably like the worst time to try and make a video because it's like the time of day when I'm the most tired. I just realized like we have a like pentagon, like a little house shape. Then that one's like a star shape. And this one is going to be a triangle. That one is a rectangle. So we got all different shapes as our stars. Don't like that there either. Ooh, it's starting to get too busy. But it doesn't. I don't know. Yes, this one. These stickers do not come off well. So busy it shall be. Yeah, I think we're just gonna stop there. We're gonna call it. It's not great, but if we keep adding, it's probably just gonna get worse. So this is what we have. I am not happy with it. I don't know. We might pull out some other pages and just redo it all together because this is not like cute. The only problem is this side is my monthly, so I don't know. We'll try again later, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I got. Thanks. Bye.